All right, this video is going to show you how to add a new layer and import a background image for your project. So the first thing you're going to do is create a new layer. You're going to go down to this little icon at the bottom. It looks like a page turn, and just click on it, and that will add you a new layer. Otherwise, if you don't want to use that button, you can always go up to Layer, New Layer. And then I'm going to drag this layer underneath, actually all the way to the bottom, okay? Because your background picture is going to go all the way on the bottom. So now that I've selected that layer, I can create a background. There's a couple ways you can create a background. You can either use your paint bucket tool, which is, your paint bucket tool is hiding under your gradient tool right here. And select a color that you'd like. Maybe I'll do a yellow. Just drag your slider, pick the color you'd like, say okay, and then if I click anywhere down on that layer, it will change my background color. Okay, if you don't like the color, you can do Command or Control Z to undo. And the other thing you can do is come here and get the paint bucket tool, and instead switch to your gradient tool, which is above the paint bucket, and do this drop down menu at the top of your screen. And there's all these different types of colors and gradients that you can use, which a gradient is basically like shades, different shades of different colors. So maybe I want it real colorful. I can use like this rainbow color, and all you're gonna do is click at the top of your screen, draw a line from the top to the bottom and let go, and it will add a gradient to your background. So that's how you're going to add any kind of background and a new layer. When you're finished, that was the last step. You're going to go File, Export as a JPEG, and save it, and that's what you're going to submit to me as your final project. Okay, your end photo should look something like this. Okay, good luck.